Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Etoro and signing in. Make sure two-factor is active so you can act securely. Once inside, go to your portfolio and switch to copied traders to see every active copy. Note your available cash and any locked amounts so you know which positions may close or remain until fully settled. This prevents surprises when you stop a copy. You'll understand the financial impact and avoid accidental liquidations as you proceed to remove copying relationships. Now select the specific trader you want to stop and open their copy settings. Look for the gear or three-dot menu. Once there, press Stop Copy and decide whether to close all positions immediately or leave existing trades open to manage manually. This choice affects exposure and settlement timing. Confirm the stop when prompted. Make sure to review resulting available cash, any open positions left in your portfolio, and possible overnight or closing fees, so you know the immediate financial consequences. To stop all copying, iterate through portfolio and stop each copied trader, or use any bulk stop option in settings if your account supports it. Do this methodically so you don't miss someone. If stop controls are grayed out, refresh the app, clear cache, or switch to the web version on desktop. These fixes resolve most UI issues. If problems persist, contact Etoro support with screenshots and trade ID so they can trace blocks. This troubleshooting ensures your stop requests complete and your risk is controlled.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.